District administration today demolished several unauthorized structures in Moibung, Khunou under Sekmai police station in Imphal West district. The eviction drive led by SDO Lamsang reportedly began at around 3:30 a.m. on the heavy deployment of security forces since around 2 a.m. A brief scuffle was also ensued between the security forces and the locals who were guarding the locality to prevent the eviction drive. During the eviction drive, several structures, including a community hall, a crematorium, a public toilet and a well, were bulldozed using excavator. Later, a protest erupted at the locality with locals opposing that the well, which included in the eviction, was not built on government land. It may be mentioned that SDO Lamsang attempted to carry out the eviction drive on September 27th. However, it turned futile as locals and women folk took on protests and prevented the government's move.